Hey, I'm Niklas from Allround-PC and I'm here at the Lian booth at Computex, and with me is Eric from Lian and he's going to show us some of the new case lineup.
Hey guys, so Eric, and the first case I'm going to show you is the PCV58. It's a micro ATX kind of cube-shaped case. It's in the same line as the PCV354 and the 355. So this case, again, micro ATX, has side panels just pop off. There's no tools that they needed. And to make it easier to get inside the case and to install everything and to maintain it or update it, the top of this case comes out like so and flips down. So you got access straight to your motherboard and straight to the graphics card. And there's also this 240 or two 120s here. You put a 240 rad on top. On the side right here, you got two 120mm fans here when they're removable and they got fan filters on them. And below the motherboard is where all the storage is. And it's still pretty easy to get to, as these hard drive cages are removable. Just a couple of thumb screws and just pull it out. You can fit up to 6 3.5-inch drives and three 2.5-inch drives. So a very cool case, micro ATX, and easy to get to, easy to maintain, and all aluminum as is Lian styling. Okay, so this is the much bigger case than the one we just saw. It's the PCD7000. And D for Lian is double wide, so the bigger chassis that Lian makes. Now this one fits a total of 15 3.5-inch drives, so you can basically put all the pictures of the cast on the internet on here, no problem. You have a 240 rad up top, and simply just dropped in. It's easy to do like so. As you can see, a removable motherboard tray. So it's really easy to install, and up to eATX motherboards. Again, with this case, all the cages can be removed, just thumb screws. So I know a lot of guys with the D case, the D8000, especially, and also the D7000. You have basically this huge case, and they just want to do something crazy with it, and it's super easy to do with this case. Also, it's got wheels, so it's easy to move around. And it comes with a door on this side, so it's kind of separated. And when you open this door like so, you got 320mm fans. But when you open it, there actually disconnects from the circuit. This connector right here, so the fans automatically just cut right off. So they're not going to blow in your face as you're pulling in drives and whatnot. Okay, so it's the PCD600. Again, this D double wide kind of case. And the idea of this case is that you have the stuff you want to look at, your motherboard, your graphics card on this side, and then on this side, which we'll see in a second, is where you put your hard drives and the stuff you don't really care to see. So this is the floor model, and again, it's a prototype. So we have this window right here, and you can see you put an intricate water cooling setup in it, and the panels just pop off like so. You can really just see inside the case, so you don't see a bunch of hard drives here. You look at the beautiful part of the case. And then again, you have a ton of water cooling support in this case. You put a 240 rad up top, you put a 360 in the front right here, as well as a 360 rad in the back as well. So just a really showcase kind of case, right? PCV2130 from Lian updated PC2120. The front of the case, if you look, you can open the door from both sides. It's a prototype model, but you get the idea. So you open from this side or from this side as well. All right, we open up the case right here. Just a couple of thumb screws, and inside we can see inside this case. So we have the best power supply in the entire world in here, and we have tons of room for storage drives, as well as motherboards, eATX motherboards, and you have tons of grommet and tons of room behind it. Now with this case comes these hard drive cages with the fan in the back, but also depending on what kind of setup you want to do, you can completely reverse it, so you have the fan near the front of the case and your hard drives here, and as well as hot swap options if you choose to do so. Again, these hard drive cages are completely removable, so if you want to do more intricate setups, it's not really a problem with this kind of case. And on the top, we have support for a 240 rad. Just open it up and just plop it in. And then we'll move on to one more case, the PC10N. Now this is more kind of the mainstream level for Lian. It's a It's kind of a revision of the PC 9N, which was the first Lian Li case to have this railing system motherboard tray rather than just a tray. And so if you open this case, the main difference between the 9N and the 10N is we have support for a 240 rad here, and it's on, just open it with thumb screws right here if you want to get inside the case. And it's on a hinge, so you can just open it up like so, and you can still get inside your case, not really any issue.
So Eric, the cases, when will they be available?
Well, these are all prototype cases, so hopefully they'll be available at the end of the year. And so not really a set date, as well as the MSRP is not quite set as well.
Okay, thank you for your time. Bye.